Hey guys, this is my bat swing collection, Batwing Swinguard, A.G.A Campolin. Have 3 in sandbar stag, 1 in light French bovine horn, 3 in dark horn. They have dagger blades, flush button releases, no safeties. They have the Batwing Swinguards, beautiful knives. Fire like rockets. There are only going to be 80 pieces of these made. They're 13-inch with dagger blades. I got them from right from Angelo. He did a custom polish on them. I've got certificates in the other videos that you can see. Hand signed. I've been dealing with Angelo for a while. He's just a great man. He's just really nice. You know, he's as good a person as he is a craftsman. They're just beautiful, beautiful knives. I have, he told me that with the 5 that I have, before I just got these 2 in sandbar stag, he said that with the 5 that I've got over 10% of the U.S. Batwings put out in the United States. So I've got over 10%. With 2 more, that brings it up to even higher. So it's a nice collection. If you have a chance to get a Bat Swinguard, if you have a chance to get any knife by Angelo, do it, because you'll be really happy you did. You know, I'm a collector. You know, there's a lot of beautiful collections out there. This is my, you've seen some of my other knives in my other videos, but these knives I really like. You know, the release buttons, just everything about them. I'm just crazy about these things. Anyway, thought I'd show them to you firing. I told you I would. And if you have a chance to get a Batwing, better snap it up, because if you don't, I probably might. Like I said, 80%, or I mean 80 pieces are all that are going to be made. These are dated 2010. And that's my Batwing Swinguard collection. A real nice addition to my my Switchblade collection. Take it easy, guys. Enjoy.